Here's how to customize your lock screen on Windows 10 or 11. Right-click the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to Settings. Click Personalization, then scroll down and select Lock Screen. You will see a drop-down showing your current setting, Picture, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. Picture lets you choose a single image from your computer. Windows Spotlight automatically rotates through curated images from Microsoft. Slideshow lets you choose a folder of your own photos and rotates through them automatically. For a rotating slideshow of your own photos, select Slideshow, then click Browse. Navigate to the folder containing the images you want and select it. Windows will now cycle through those photos on your lock screen. Scroll down to see additional slideshow options. You can control shuffle order and whether the slideshow plays on battery power. Adjust these to suit your preferences. A tip: Windows Spotlight occasionally shows interesting travel and nature photography from Microsoft and is worth trying if you want variety without managing your own photo folder. It updates automatically with fresh images through Windows Update, so you always get something new. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.